Credit, your credit, extremely important. It's probably one of the most important things that you can do with your life in terms of building your wealth. If you truly want to grow your money and not blow your money, you need to have good credit. And I have the perfect book for you. Be right back. I want to show you some reviews that I have from Amazon. This Amazon bestseller has some awesome reviews. Check them out yourself. Let's read some. Buying this book literally saved my and my family's life. Over a 2-month period, my score went from 590 to 690. 100 points, y'all. I usually don't write reviews, but I just finished reading Keeping Score, and it was very informative. This book is great because even if you have good credit, it gives you sound advice about how to achieve excellent credit. Yes, it does. The author does an excellent job of taking an intimidating topic and providing simplistic, easy-to-follow steps to build one's credit. Sure do. Wow! Keeping Score is a lifesaver for my husband and I. Yes, indeed. Pick up the book, Keeping Score, on Amazon.com, and I'm going to show you how to grow your money and not blow your money.